Hi everybody, I'm starting the tutorial number 9, and this is the first question of the third sample paper that I want to teach you how to do the modeling. So first we check the unit system, and the system is MMGS. So we go to our SolidWorks, Control N, and part MMGS we choose. It's taking some time to load. Choose the front plane, go back on the drawing and see the dimensions. First we draw a cube and then we cut through different holes and cuts that we need to make on that part. Okay, so it's C and C. How much is C? C is 100 millimeters. So use the right mouse, center. First we need to put the height. Height is A, and A is 63. 100. And then how much is depth? Depth is B, and B is 50. Press Q, enter 50, again enter. So we got the cube, and now we're gonna make this hole and another hole here. So go sketch, draw a line, like this. 10 millimeters circle, then dimension is 40. Oh, sorry, 40. One angle is 20, the other is 45. How much is from the left? 15. What about the circle? Circle is 10 from left. How much from bottom or top? As you can see, is in the same line as this. So, and this is 35, so it should be 35 from the bottom. Now it's fully defined. Press your shortcut key, right click, select through all, again right click, made the hole, and now I'm gonna make this back part. So go back, choose this, then you need to draw an arc of 30 radius, right click, center for an arc, center is somewhere in here, and draw it first, and then the dimension it to 30, and as you can see it's center of this, so it's like a semi 1/4 of a circle. It should be, but before that it's 35 from bottom, the center of the arc. So you have to draw a line from here that is vertical, and we need to close the boundary. And now if we make these two tangents, it should make it fully defined. Everything looks alright, fully defined. Press D and 8 millimeters from this side. But as I can see, we have to first make this part and then we have to cut. So but it's alright for now, so we don't need to cut now. We just cancel the cut, we keep the sketch. It would be useful for our reference. So we'll go to the next part, which would be this part. It is 20 radius arc. It's an arc. Dimensioning, things will be more clear. This point and this point should be in the same line, and how much the bottom is. Then we should check the other drawing. Okay, it's 35 from bottom, 20 to the left, 20 to the left. Why it became such a big number? Okay, left, then draw a vertical line. Okay, and then we'll go left, and then we join this up. So this should be straight, and this should be tangent. So you can see here it's in the same line, so this and center of this two are in the same line, center of this I could make it with this. Let's us to deal with that. So we're gonna add a point, then choose this point and choose this and make it center. Okay, how far it goes up? It's 15 from bottom. We can delete this. Okay, draw a line, and it's a 15 from the top. And actually we can draw this as well. So this is also 20, and here, here, and here, because it's this overall 40, so it's 20, and here also it was 20 radius, so it's 20. So press D. Here is through all. Expand this. Press D again. Choose this part. It's 9 deep inside. Enter. So this part is done as well. Things look okay. Now we're gonna make the sketching here. Create an arc which the center is here. There's another arc which the center is here. Comes up. So now the dimension, one is 25, the other is also 25. 25. If you remember, it was 35 from here. And the line there is fully defined. I'm gonna draw a circle which is 10, and another there which is 20. 10 and 20. All black. Everything looks fine. Now we see how much we have to cut. So the first one we have to go 5 in, and this should go 5 in. D, choose this. Sketch. That's supposed to be 5. Okay. And the whole thing is 13 in. Except this part, which is not 13 in. So the circular is 13 in. So it was better to make this as a circle, that means. So we can go edit the sketch. You can add an arc to complete the circle. It's undefined. Now it's fully defined. Go back. Now choose the sketch. Press D. Choose this. It's 13 millimeter. It's correct. And now we're going to cut from the other side, and it should fix the problem. So we bring the sketch down to the bottom of this. Why doesn't let? Okay, should be right here, hopefully. No, why it doesn't let. So choose this sketch, press D, since everything's okay. Offset from surface, how much? It was 8. Choose this surface, 8, double click, and we're going to here. We still got to remove some more parts. Things are getting a bit complicated, but don't worry, everything is under control. So we just choose this and this, and we set through all, and okay. Just doesn't look right. It's 5 from here. I'm sorry, I think this was 8 as well. So this is not 5, this is 8, and it should be like that. Yeah, it is 5 from there. So we have to choose this, and this feature. This one, edit, and press 8. Yeah, now it looks right. Now it looks right. Okay, you should observe always and try to find where did you do wrong. So it's very important to understand by thinking. Not panicking. So this is 9 from there and 30 from this side. It's fully defined. Through all. Just through all. Which direction? Okay. We're gonna make this cut, which is here. Okay. This is the rectangle. From here, how much is the distance? 12 and 50. Okay, and is it through all? Yeah, it's through all. It's fully defined. Press Q, right click, right click. We're almost there. Okay, it's not this sketch. Press this part 18 on bottom. This 20 degree here. 20 is yeah. SD, right click through all, right click. Okay. Check it with this, looks right. Things look right, and we should not forget the fillet here, which is radius 10. So which is this fillet, enter 10, enter, and I think that is it. This is how it should be, and now we should measure the mass. First, before that, we need to check what material it is. Copper, right click, edit, go down, copper alloy. There's no copper, so we need to go to other metal and then check here. Or there is a copper here. Copper density is 89. Okay, what's the same density? 89. Yeah. So check the mass. 1280.33. 1280. So this is the right answer. Just 0.33 grams, which is within 1% of this part, and so we got the right answer. The next tutorial, let me describe this first. What kind of drawing view it is it this B from A? As you can see, this is a spine around here, and it's a broken out section. Okay. And the next tutorial we will make this assembly, question number 4 of the sample paper, and you can click on the screen to go to the next tutorial, which would be tutorial number 10. And thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you into the next tutorial, and bye for now.